Guys, firstly open Chrome browser and type here upwork.com. Now I am typing Upwork. As you written, click on search button. You have to click on first Upwork. Now you have interface how work you should work. Get started. After you click on get started, you have two options: I am a client or I am a freelancer. Now click on I am a freelancer and apply for freelancer. After you click on it, now you have to write your first name, your last name, your email ID and your password. Now type your first name and your last name. After click on last name and entering your last name, you have to write your email address and your password. Okay, now I am type my email address. Now I am entering my email address. After entering your email address, you can set your password, and the password should be strong. It must be 8 or more letters, and you can choose your country after the choosing your password. Now I am enter my password. Password should be strong, and after applying your password, you have come downward and you have to create profile. Now enter on create my account after giving submission. Now you have to verify your email address. After you verifying email address, click on get started. It may ask many questions. Apply for open for close of certain details. Now click on get started. When you click on get started, you have few questions. First you have choose. Now you have to click on to get experience for full-time job. When you click on this, you have many options. Now it may ask how would you like to work. uh, I did like to find opportunity myself. I did like package my work for client to buy. I click on both of them, and now add. Click on add button, and now click on next. Create my profile. After processing, now create your profile. It asked you how would you like to tell about yourself. You can import your from LinkedIn account, upload your resume, fill out mandatory 15 minutes. I click on it and got it. Now add a title to tell the word what you do. Now you have written what do you want to become and what do you want to do. Okay, now I am click on it and I want to become like I click on I want to become a web developer and I am a video editor. I am writing now. After writing on it, you have to click on next and your experiences. Okay, now I am click on it. Next, add your experiences. Clicking on next button, you have many options. Have you experience? If you have nothing, you can tick on nothing to add. If you have, you can add. I am clicking on nothing and on next button. After clicking on next button, now you have add your education, and now click on your add education plus icon. After clicking on first icon, now you have enter to your school name, your degree, what are you doing, and like I am doing BTech. After clicking on it, in which you are doing in it, I write in computer science. And now you have time starts from and to. It start from to. Now I am clicking on it 2019 because my education start from 2019 and its expected end time. Now I'm clicking on 2023. Now have you describe your education. Now I writing some about my education. I am a web developer and I am created in app formation designing. The information in your description. Now click on save button. After on save button, and now type on next, add your languages. You have your language on clicking on your add language or the language you speak. Like I speak English and I speak not fluent English, but I click on fluent to get some work and click on next button. When you click on next button, now you have many options and you can preview this video. And now you can, when you scroll down below and below, this is your preview and submit your profile. Now you can get your browser jobs. Now you have scroll down and find the jobs which you want to do. Like I scroll and scroll, the most important thing is the job which you select should be payment verified. Like I click on uh, to check someone better. I click on looking for a gold share for clean and wholesale romance novels. I click on it, and when I click on it, now you can read all the flowing details of this job, what you have to do and how much payment the customer will give you. Okay, now you can read all the details one by one. After completing on reading, now you can apply on clicking on apply button, which is in upper. Click on apply now. When you click on apply now, you have many options. This is proposal settings. Close the tabs. Okay, and now proposal settings, job details, all the details of the job is given there, terms and conditions. Now how do you want to paid? I click on by project. You can also be milestone if it is one by one step. Now you can add your payment, how much you will take. It's you should be pay for less than which is given by the customer. And now how much you take deliver time, click on less than 1 month. Now cover letter is most important. Now open GPT. Cover letter is the most important thing by which you can get the work. You have to influence the person who gave the job. Now I click on ChatGPT for a write a cover letter, and now you have to copy all of them and paste on in cover letter. Now what you have to do, you have to change your name. What is your name? Okay, after clicking on your name, now you have to scroll down. When you scroll down, you found that there is another things. Now copy all of them from ChatGPT and fulfill all the details. Now again I write the details which I should write. Okay, from you can also do by yourself, or you can take the help of ChatGPT or AI tools. Now one of the most important option which you have to select a bid. Bid means the connections, how much you give the connections. Now I have 46 connection left. I click on 4 connection. You have to choose the connection which you make the first or second place. Okay, click on it. Now you give the permissions, I understand, and click on submit. Now another page will be open. Now also click on yes I understand on 3 things. Click on send 11 connections. When you click on it, job details are come there. Your proposal is submitted.